video, you saw us removing heavy oxidation from black sea ray, and you saw the processes that we go through. We did a little bit of wet sanding. We cut it with a coarse compound, a paste compound. We created a lot of dust. The thing about cutting with compounds is, and especially on a black boat, and you hammer on it with the wool pad, is that it's going to leave a lot of scratches, and there's going to be a lot of residue left. And so the key is, I've seen a lot of detailers, and I admit I've done it early in my career, correcting boats, is, they'll use the same pad to get the job done. But that's why we talk about processes. Now, everybody's processes might be a little bit different, but doing things the correct way, that's the way you get the correct results. And so really, what it boils down to is product and pad combinations. And so in order to come back, you're gonna have to have another phase. You don't wanna just wet sand it, cut it, and wax it. If that's what you charge the boat owner, to do, then, if that's what you pay for, that's what you get. However, it's all about the processes and the steps. It's what do you want? What's your expected outcome? What's your end result? What's your expectations at the end? And so I'm all about the end result. And so on this job, in order to get those swirls and those holograms and that buffer trail, so those are going to show up a lot on the black boat. And so in order to get those holograms and those swirls out of there, you're going to have to do some polishing. You're going to have to come on it with a dense foam pad and follow it with a fast cut compound in order to get that out and correct it before you put your protection on there. So from this angle, but there's not a lot of clarity. Now you can see it. It's still a little hazy, and so we're cutting with extra-cut-coarse-compound. We're not paid to use any product, whatever works for you. But this is our system. This is what we use. We use the whole system. So we're gonna follow this with a fast cut compound out of the Pareto lineup, and I'm gonna show you the end result. He's down there. He's doing some cutting. He's still cutting with the coarse cut, and I'm gonna follow behind him with the second or third, fourth maybe phase of this. I'm back. So this is that same area that I just had to polish over the same little area. So as you can see, there's a lot more clarity. Working the scratches out, the swirls out of it, and it's clear. Now you have a mirror. And so just a little trick for the do-it-yourselfers and those of you that detail boats. And black boats can be kind of a challenge, but after you compound, you're gonna have to go over it. You can't just keep beating up on it with that wool pad. You're gonna have to go over it again and polish it out with like a fast cut compound or some type of high-speed polish and a foam to get all of the imperfections out of it, so you can get that glossy look to it and that mirror finish. All right, so I'm gonna get back to work. We got a little bit more to do on this haul, so hope you guys got something of that. If you got any tricks or any tips or anything pertaining to boats that could benefit me. I don't know everything, leave comments below. I'd like to connect with you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, you could follow us over on Instagram and Facebook at The Mobile Boat Guys. You can hit us up on our website at themobileboatguys.com. See you next time.